What's going down, everybody? We are up in the shop today, the fancy shop, working on the Oldsmobile, and we got new parts. So today, unboxing our BAER Big Brake Kit for our G-Body Oldsmobile 83 Hurst Oldsmobile. So I'm gonna bring you in, we're gonna get this thing all opened up, and then I'm gonna bring you in and show you what we went with for this kit. So this is gonna be a 13-inch front rotor with their spindles, and then 11.5 or 11.6 rear conversion, because this is factory drums. So we're going to be doing two-part on the install video. I'll be doing the front, and then the back will be its own video as well. So this is going to be a three-part video series. So buckle up, because it's going to be a good one. Alright, well, I figured I would open this last box. Might as well open it live. We got open the rest of it on the time lapse, and you know, I wanted to talk to you. So like I said, this is very similar to the kit that I'm running on my 3rd gen Camaro. If you haven't seen those videos, you can go and check them out. I actually ended up finding that kit used but never had been installed. They had bought it, it sat on a car for mock-up, and then it never got used. So I scored a really good deal on that. So I knew these brakes are good. I do a ton of autocross in my 3rd gen and driving on the street. And so I figured this is going to be plenty of brake, especially coming from this is an 11.65 rear rotor. The front factories are 11, and then like I said, the backs are drum. So we're going to a 13-inch front, which, I mean, a lot more stopping power up front and a lot more stopping power in the back. But let me get this last guy out, and then I'll bring you in on everything that came. So this is 2 kits. I'll throw the part numbers in the link in the description. So we have the front kit, which is going to come with your 2 rotors. We did go for the new spindles. So these are all powder coated, brand new spindles, direct drop in, all the brackets. Everything bolts straight up to it. You don't have to do any modifications. They're already notched, so that's super cool. And then the back kit comes with all your hardware, new braided lines, brake pads, all the jazz. But the reason I went with this kit is because, being that this is one of 3,000 cars ever made, a lot of the kits, like the bigger name, more piston, rear calipers, didn't have factory e-brake. So this still uses your factory e-brake. So we'll still have e-brake in the car, just something we wanted to have. But yeah, enough of me talking. I'll bring you in on all the goodies. Alright, so like I said, this is everything that comes with. This is 2 kits. I'll put the part numbers included. This is the BAER Classic Series. They offer this rear in, I think, a 10-inch as well. But I went with the bigger rear. 2-piston front caliper, single piston rear. These are like a C4 Corvette. It's kind of like what they look like. Yeah, everything is super duper nice. Finishes on everything is really nice. I did have a question for you guys, see what you think. Obviously, Hurst is staying in these colors. We're running a black and machined finish wheel. Do you think I should swap these colors? Do you think we should go black with red BAER and then also black out this anodized silver? Or do you think we should leave them the way they are and then do this black? Shoot me a comment, see what you think. I think it would look good, honestly, either way. But I kind of like the big chunk of red. I think it might look cool poking through that rim. What it comes with in your bag, you got your steel braided front lines, all your clips, washers, hardware that goes with it. They gave you, with both kits, a nice license plate ring and some stickers and a big old needle. Assuming that's for painting your BAER things. We got 2 of those. Front kit, same thing, comes with steel braided lines, all the hardware you need. The brakes do come, the fronts come with the pads in them. The backs come with a brand new set of pads, obviously. So you're everything you need. The rear kit, we got your mounting brackets. Being that this was a drum brake car, we are gonna have to do some modifications to the rear, and something crazy. Got to cut a tab off, drill 4 holes, and then the old plate mounts right on. And it has, the nice part is this was set up from drum to disc. So it has the 2 factory holes right here. Boom, boom. You line those up. Bob drum. Boom. Easy as that. Yeah, I'm super excited about this. I think this is going to be a great kit and a great choice for this car. I think it's going to be a ton of brakes, and I think it's not going to be super over the top and flashy. I'm excited about it. I know it performs, and that's about it. You got any questions, shoot me a comment and I'll do the best I can to answer them. Ordered all this stuff off Summit Racing, and it came, it drop ships from BAER themselves. Came super quick. It was like, hey, we'll let you know. It shipped within 2 days. So nice, everything came, boxes weren't damaged. Way to go, Summit, way to go, BAER. Super excited about this. I hope you all enjoyed this. Stay tuned. We got more coming on this car, and I'll be having install videos. So like I said, I'm gonna break it into 2 videos. We're gonna do the rear, and then we'll do the front. I'll go through on how easy it is to install it. We are installing this onto all brand new stuff. So up front's gonna be all the brand new QA1 suspension. So it should be pretty trick juice when it's all done. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, go ahead and hit that like. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I got more coming here. We got the F100, we got Camaro, we got my buddy stuff. We just got a lot of stuff. So if you like stuff and you didn't mind listening to me ramble, this is the place to be. So until next time, toodles.